Hi friends, this video shows how to open screwless Samsung Smart TV using nail cutter. First we need to remove this wall mount from the back side of the TV. Okay, done. Then go to the right bottom back side of the TV. Here I will be using this nail cutter to open this Samsung TV. First I am going to push down this plastic part so I will get some space. Let me do that using this nail cutter. Okay, done. So here you can see some space. Insert this nail cutter inside that space, then we can just push up. Okay, then we need to repeat this process on other side of the TV. See, like this. So this TV is not using any screws, so there is a lock inside, so we just need to unlock it like this. Repeat this process for all four sides of the TV. Okay, done. Then we can remove this back cover like this. See, done. This is very simple. This way we can open this Samsung screwless smart TV. So this is a speaker. You can see another speaker here. Okay, so next I will show you how we can close this. Just place this back cover on top of this display panel like this, then push. That's all. So this way we can close it. This way we can open and close this Samsung screwless smart TV. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.